Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. It is February the 10th, and this is the Metastock platform that we are looking at with Metastock's Target Rich Trades. This is the system that I built with Metastock. And so if you've been running through this and you want to see, all right, how do these things work? I know a lot of us have purchased this. Here's what we need to be looking at today. All right. Several days ago, we had a breakout formation that occurred pre-market, and that gave us an entry point that allowed us to enter above 3308 with first targets at 3338. That's the prior resistance. And if you held on for more and you were watching it very clearly, one of the things that you want to do is take note. If you bounce up and hold above this area, but the next day you close or start losing the low of the prior day, there's weakness in the chart. You want to pull some profit off of that. Now, what that did this morning was very ugly open, but it allowed us another opportunity to enter. So the question is, why would I be comfortable entering here after something that dipped very hard? This makes us very nervous as traders. Why would we want to do that? Well, the simple answer is, if this buy arrow is here and I'm sitting above moving averages, that is going to be a natural buy zone, just the way the system is built. Here's what we're looking at now. Up above, we came into 3303, something like that. Up above 3308, there is another buy zone. And so that triggers last night at about 6:30 when it faded so sharply. Now what we want to do is get up and over this 3330 area. That's a key zone for us to feel comfortable as buyers to hold this edge. First target 3326, 3327. We've gotten into that area, and now there is a full-fledged argument right here, and you can look to the left and see why this is a prior resistance zone. It's a prior area for a stop zone. So a lot of traders made decisions here at 33.25. They are arguing around and about it. Again, whenever traders begin to argue, I like to take profit. This formation is only good for intraday or short-term cycling right now because it's technically divergent. That means selling pressure is still going to sit at these new highs. Notice here on the date that I put this up, I said, hey, listen, this buy zone, very nice, but it tells us our highs are vulnerable to sell-off. It did exactly that. This is the exact same formation, and we've got to pay attention to what's going on here. As long as we hold this 3300 area, you're going to have buying pressure come into the space. It could dip into 3294, 3291, and we'll still find buyers. Overall pressure is still very bullish, but traders are tentative. And so when traders become tentative, we have to trade around the position. We get in, we take part of it off, we allow it to come back, and we size up. Or we get in, we get out, we wait for it to come back, and we size in again. The big difference is if you get out and the chart doesn't come all the way back to your entry pockets, which is where you would want it to re-enter, or you would increase your risk, you're going to have trouble running through the cycle if it happens to run higher. All right, be careful. Pullbacks are buy zones. If you start losing this edge, step away until buyers begin to stabilize if you want to go long. Short action is going to be much stronger if we start losing 3320. All right, so they're going to battle around that area, lose 3320. It's going to fade. We can trade in both directions right now from an intraday perspective. Lots of room to move. All right, good luck. Have a great trading day.